how to get Monopoly Go rewards codes in this year, right? So I will show you the latest one where you can get the free dice and money and Monopoly Go rewards, right? So to get it, I have mentioned some of the free straightforward answers here. You have to visit, first of all, you have to visit their official social media handles. So you can just go to the website of Monopoly Go here, and you can just go to their Instagram, X, or Twitter, and in this way you will able to find some of the codes which they generally release on their social media. They frequently post link to free dice and reward codes, so you have to make sure that you take participate in this and be a part of this, right? The second thing is that game events, participate in game events and tournaments. These often provide opportunities to earn extra rewards including codes. Engage with the community through forums or social media groups dedicated to Monopoly Go, right? And some of the rewards which I have mentioned here, so you can copy this up, right? So you will get 1000 dice plus 5-star stickers valid till this date here. You can use it, and in this way you will to use, right? And you already know how to redeem it, so let me show you up. Go to the website, go to the redeem codes, and here enter the code and you will able to redeem it. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.